Now here is your beautiful living space where you can set. Now here is your kitchen space where you Now here is your gorgeous master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we are doing a sample flat tour of Unitary Leora, which is located near Renuka Mata Mandir, Keshav Nagar, Pune, and developed by Unitary Properties and Suyo Group, which is a joint venture project. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office. और sales office के आगे आपको internal road मिल जाती है जो आपको connect करती है केशव नगर road. But before dive into the project, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview with the help of the 3D model. This project is constructed on 4.75 acres of land parcel with the 3 towers, which includes 2 basement plus ground plus podium plus 13, 17 and 21 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am at the actual road and behind me is the land parcel of this project. This project is located near Renuka Mata Mandir, Keshav Nagar, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है केशव नगर रोड 500 मीटर्स, द ऑर्बिट स्कूल 550 मीटर्स एंड मुंडवा चौक 2.9 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities with the help of the 3D model. This project has 35 plus luxurious amenities such as infinity swimming pool, banquet hall, party lawn, amphitheater, multipurpose court, kids play area and many more. As you can see, I am standing right in front of the 3 BHK sample flat, which has a carpet area of 995 square feet. Now, this is the entrance, and at the entrance, you get a digital door lock for security purpose. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby where you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now, let's check out the living space. Now, here is your beautiful living space where you can set up your couch and TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skate tiles, Teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. Now, here is your dining space where you can enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now let's check out the kitchen space. Now here is your kitchen space where you get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink. You also get an attached dry balcony where you can set up your utilities and washing machine. Also, you get an attached window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a space where you can set up your refrigerator. Now let's check out the first bedroom. Before that, you get a common washroom which has an anti-skate tiles, CP center fitting and designer verified tiles. Now here is your first bedroom where you also can customize it with a kids room. Here you can set up your bed. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Now here is your beautiful second bedroom where you can set up your bed. You also can set up your wardrobe. Also, you get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get an attached washroom which has an anti-skate tiles, CP center fitting and designer verified tiles. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, 360-degree location tour. all of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. As soon as you enter your master bedroom, you get a master washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer verified tiles. Now here is your gorgeous master bedroom where you can set up your bed, also TV unit. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Unitary Leora, which is located near Keshav Nagar, Pune and developed by Unitary Properties and Suyo Group as it is a joint venture project. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to the Houses YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.